guys, what's up? It's Lizz Beauty here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I took an old, nasty, gunky, chopped up frontal into this. I hope my tips helped you. I hope you really like it. I think it's pretty simple to do because I can do it and I'm not a hairstylist or a professional. So keep watching. I had to go a little back because it was showing maybe BH Cosmetics contour palette using Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to a voiceover. So what you see me doing here is basically starting to add the freeze blast spray to my sides. I used to start from the middle, but then I realized when I started from the middle, my edges were really hard to pull forward. So when you start with your edges, it makes it easier so that like your regular hairline is not showing, and like there's really no resistance and whatever. Okay, so boom, what you see me here is pulling the frontal over the cap and pressing it onto the area where I put the freeze blast spray, but I'm putting it not too close to my eyebrows because I don't want my frontal to look like a hat. Now, so I'm setting it at an appropriate place, and I'm going to take my tail comb and I'm going to adhere the lace to my skin so that it lays flatter. So what you see me doing here is basically just checking the security, and as you've seen, it just lifted. I take my blow dryer to help reinforce like the tackiness between my skin and the lace so that it lays flat and it don't move. And like I said before, the comb is just helping me to stick the lace down. I think from here it's pretty self-explanatory because you're watching me do it, so I'm gonna leave you guys for now. Bye. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. I feel like people think like it's, I don't know, not like sarcastic, but like people don't really mean it when they say comment. Like, yes, I do mean comment. Like, engage with me, talk with me, like let me know who you are, like what's up. Everybody love that pull behind the ears now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, be blessed, and stay tuned for the next video.